In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually sort rows on your pivot table. So in order to do so right here, let's say, for example, I want to move this first row right here, and I want to move it to the bottom of the table. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hover to the left of the row until I see this black arrow, and I'm going to click and select the row. And after that, all I need to do is just hover to the bottom of the row right here until I see this cursor turns into a little black cross. And after that, in order to move this row to the bottom, all I need to do is just click on it and drag it to the bottom of the table. So as you can see, this date, which was the first on my table, is now to the bottom of the table. Also, I can see, go and put this one back to the top. I can drag it to the top right here. So this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.